Say I am. Somebody. I am. Somebody. Respect me. Protect me. Never neglect me. I am. Somebody. If my mind can conceive it, and my heart can believe it, I know I can achieve it. Ain't no stopping us now. Ain't no stopping us now. We have to vote, marching feet, and a made up mind. The vote, marching feet, a made up mind. And our prayers are power. Stop the violence. Save the children. Jobs now. Jobs now. Rebuild America now. Fair trade now. End the war now. Jobs now. Rebuild America now. Fair trade now. End the war now. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Let me hear you scream.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No wheel below us, above us only sky.
We are one nation, born to be determined to build a United States of America with jobs, justice, and education for all.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard.
Jackson once said we might have come over on different boats, but today we're in the same boat. And it was done by human design. It was no accident. See, because when we export your jobs to some third world country to exploit workers there, if they can't do that, they import exploited workers to exploit them here in America.
Living life in peace.
Are we ready to go? That means in the State House, are we ready to go? Are we ready to go in the city county building? Are we ready to go in Washington?
But I'm not the only one.
So we join hands today to say that we are going to make sure that every American who wants a job can get back to work. We're fighting for jobs, and we're fighting because without jobs there is no justice. Without justice there is no peace. So no jobs, no justice. No justice, no peace. No jobs, no justice. No justice, no peace.
Motherhood of man.
We are tired of waiting.
People sharing for the world.
What we do in life is not one of us alone. What everybody in this crowd understands is that we are sisters and brothers. As President Mary Kay Henry said, we are all God's children.
Someday you'll join us. And the world.
That budgets and how government spend money is a moral decision. And the way that the Republicans want to spend our money is morally bankrupt. The Republicans say no to unemployment, and at the same time, they want to extend tax breaks for the wealthiest in America. When we march, we win. Say it all with me. When we march, we win. If you don't keep marching, you start losing. It's kind of going, if you are
A neighbor in home foreclosure, raise your hand. If you are a neighbor facing home foreclosure, raise your hand. Hands down. Someone in your house looking for a job, raise your hand. Wow. Raise your hand real high. Anybody in your house in debt, raise your hand. Raise your hand. A member of your family in student loan debt, raise your hand. Detroit, don't surrender your spirit. We marched too much. We bled too much. We died too young. You fought to get the vote in Selma. You fought to free Nelson Mandela. You fought to bail out Katrina. Detroit, do not live below your Detroit. Detroit, stand up, Detroit. Show the way. So I will use my mind, my vote. I will keep hope alive. I will keep hope alive. I'm a little tired, but I feel like going on. I feel like going on. I feel like going on.